Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This will be a very quick video on Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM. I have been covering this for a long time, and recently with the market sell-off, like it came down and today it bounced off. So I just want to quickly show you the price action, the support and resistance, because I think the share price is at a very critical point. If it goes up, good. If it comes down, not good, or you can say also good, because if you want to dip buy. So it is very important to show you the price action, the support and resistance. So it will be very quick. I think I will not go over 4 or 5 minutes, but we all know about Zomedica. If you do not know about Zomedica, please go to my playlist. I will also leave a link to my previous video at top of the screen, so you can check that particular video. So what's happened, like we rode the wave for this particular stock. I think we entered around 90 cent, and the share price went all the way around 2.85, almost 3 times. Then some news came, and with the market sell off, now we are just coming down. And why the share price is falling down? Because like buy the hype, sell the news, that kind of thing. So end of the month, Zomedica, they're supposed to announce their first commercialization news, but it came on 16th of March, a little bit of early. Nothing bad, it's good that they announced, but after the news, I think pre-market the share price went to 2.85 area, then the day started around 2.74, then the market was terrible that particular day, and the share price is coming down and down. Nothing is bad. You can see here that on the day like the news came on 16th of March, the market was bad, so it came down all the way. Now like you can see how much we came. So we were around 2.85 pre-market, and we came from here all the way to here, almost 48-50%. So normally when there is a hype or there is a run up, and if the share price comes like 50% down, I think that is, if you say this is a correction or whatever you want, sell off, event, anything, 50% is a lot. I think when a share price comes down to 50%, it is time for it to consolidate sideways or to go up again, because the share price can go to like 100% or 90%. So I think it's a lot of selling happen, and I think it is time for this particular stock to go up. Now, one other thing before I start showing you the support and resistance. So the first commercialization, that was a big event for this particular stock, and definitely there was a massive run up. Now the news came, and so what, like the catalyst is gone. So what could be the next catalyst? The next catalyst would be whoever is purchasing their true format product, if they come up with some good reviews that okay, the product is amazing, then definitely it's good. On the other hand, if say the product is bad, definitely that's not a good catalyst. Also, if they can announce that there are more buyers or more partnership, so these kind of news will definitely lift the stock up. Other than that, when I looked at the earning, which was around 3rd of March, it was not bad. It was not bad, and people reacted okay. So the next earning would be around May 19th. So if there is no news, normally when there is no news, the share price goes sideways or it comes down. But if there is a good earning again, because the true forma is out, so maybe some good news, and then the share price can go up. But normally without any kind of news, the share price goes sideways or comes down, especially if it's a penny stock which started its run from 20-30 cent. It went like 10 times, so definitely it has to come down at one point. So the price looks good, but good in other way that it did not come all the way to 50 cent or even $1. So it's holding, right? It's holding. Now let's look at the support and resistance. So what happened, right? What happened? So we came all the way, and these are my support resistance. Just look at the green lines here. So 1.75 was one of my support. So we broke that 1.75. Today we came around 1.5 around this area, but then later of the day the market rebounded and we also bounced off that $1.5. So the good thing is 1.5, you see it looks like a very good support, because previously in this area 1.5 was the resistance. Now it has become support, because you can see two long wicks going up, and also like the share price today bounced off that particular line. Also there were some gap up in this area, so now all the gaps are filled, so this is a good sign for the stock. Now what can happen if the share price comes back again around 1.5? You can grab more share, or if the share price goes higher, then definitely good. I think around 1.75 will be a next support if a bull run starts. On the other hand, if the market is red again, or any kind of bad news that comes for Zomedica, what can happen? The share price can break that support of 1.5 and it can come all the way around 1.14, 1.15, this area, because you see this green line. So this is another U-shaped recovery, right? And you see how many candles are touching around 1.5, 1.2, around this area, let's say 1.2, right? So if it breaks that 1.5 support, it can come all the way to 1.2, and after 1.2 can it go even lower? Maybe it can come around 90 cent. So I know, like, when we talk about lower price, if you really believe the stock, we don't like to hear if the share price comes down. But on the other hand, if you're long term, then why not? If it comes down just for a 1 minute or 2 minute, grab some share. You can always set some limit buy order to grab more share around 1.5, 1.2, or even 90 cent. Then you know, if you believe the stock, if you know there is true potential, then why not grab more share at a lower price? Nothing wrong. And if it does not come at all, then it's good. We can just make a U-shaped recovery now. So I can draw some lines. Maybe I will not draw here, because I think still there is more room to go upside, and I love to cover this stock a lot, so I will make more videos. Even though if you see I'm making lower highs, I think if there is a U-shaped recovery, it can retest around $2.3 again, and this can be support around 1.49. What can happen if there is no news, nothing is happening? The share can move this way. You see I'm drawing the line. It can come here, and again it can go up, bounce, and come back. So it can consolidate, or you can say move within this triangle, and at one point when it's enough is enough, then boom, right? So it can happen. And again, in terms of technical term, people call it bull flag pattern, because this looks like a flag, the triangle, and this is the pole, right? So again, as long we are maintaining the pattern I drew here, this is fine. We are still doing okay, and we are preparing for the next run, right? So don't be upset. Just look at the support and resistance and just get more share. If you are a short-term or day trader or swing trader, then look at the support and resistance. Even for you, like, you can get at 1.75, get off around $2, 230, then let it come down again reload, and again sell when it goes up. As long we can hold $1.5, that's support, I think we are good. Still, on a big picture, you see it's a triangle and it's a pole, and once we are maintaining this, we will go up. And again, I'm saying that I will cover this particular stock again and again, because I love this stock. It's not because it's coming down, I forgot, I sold my share. No, I'm averaging down for this share. So if you are Zom lover, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, stay with me, because I love to cover this stock at least like every other days or a week. Anyway, my friends, I said the video will be a short video, 5 minutes, but you see how much I love Zomedica, so the video is already like close to 10 minutes. So I will stop here. If you find this information is useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, my friends, thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.